Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely open the laptop and replace the keyboard without causing any damage. First, power off your MSI MS1585 and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, remove the battery by sliding the battery release latch and lifting it out. This step is essential for your safety. Now, locate the screws on the bottom of the laptop. You will typically find several Phillips screws securing the back panel. Carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, locate the keyboard connector. This is usually situated near the top of the laptop's interior. Gently disconnect the keyboard cable by lifting the connector latch. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. Next, turn your attention to the keyboard itself. You may need to remove additional screws that hold the keyboard in place. These screws are often located around the keyboard's perimeter. Once you've removed them, carefully lift the keyboard from its position. Be mindful of any clips that may be holding it down. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently release these clips if necessary. After removing the old keyboard, take a moment to clean the area beneath it. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This step is important for maintaining the laptop's performance and longevity. Now it's time to install the new keyboard. Align it with the mounting points and gently press it into place. Reinsert the screws you previously removed to secure the keyboard. Ensure that the keyboard is firmly in place and that there are no gaps. Reconnect the keyboard cable by sliding it back into the connector and securing it with the latch. This connection is crucial for the keyboard to function properly. Once everything is secured, replace the back panel by aligning it with the laptop's casing and pressing it down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the back panel, ensuring that everything is tightly fastened. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your laptop. Test the new keyboard to ensure all keys are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Plus, you can receive a quote before any repair work is done, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. By following these steps, you should have successfully replaced the keyboard on your MSI MS1585. If this seems too tricky, remember we're here to help with our no calls, no travel service, making it easier for you to get your laptop back in working order. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.